Good morning, students. Exercise 2.2, second problem. Solve 1 by modulus of 2x minus 1 less than 6 and express the solution using the interval notation. So, I consider the problem. Your 2x minus 1 is written within the modulus. It is in the denominator. So, we have to bring it to the numerator. So, I am going to reciprocate on both the sides. So, here when you reciprocate this term, it is modulus of 2x minus 1. When you reciprocate 6, it is 1 by 6. So, here the less than symbol is, it is reversed. So, you have to write greater than. So, when you reciprocate, the inequality will change. So, how it looks like? It looks like modulus of x greater than r. It looks like modulus of x greater than r. If it's so, if and only if x less than minus r or x greater than r. So, this is the formula we have learnt yesterday. So, if greater than comes, your x lies outside of these two values. Suppose this is r, here it is minus r, here you are having plus r. If greater than comes, your x lies outside. So, it from minus infinity to, here the r is 1 by 6. So, minus infinity to minus 1 by 6 or 1 by 6 to infinity. That only we have written here. You see that? X less than minus r. So, in the place of x, what you are having? 2x minus 1 less than minus r. Your r is 1 by 6. So, minus 1 by 6 or x is greater than r. So, your x is 2x minus 1, that is greater than 1 by 6. You consider the first term, 2x minus 1 is less than minus 1 by 6. So, this minus 1, when you take it to the right side, it will become plus 1. So, when you take LCM, it is 5 by 6. 2x is less than 5 by 6. So, x is less than 5 by 12. So, this 2 will come in the denominator. So, 6 into 2 is 12. X less than 5 by 12. So, x value is less than 5 by 12 means x belongs to minus infinity to 5 by 12. Here I have used this bracket here 5 by 12 because the equality symbol is not there. So, you have to use the open interval. 5 by 12 is not included. Come to, you take this term, consider 2x minus 1 is greater than 1 by 6. So, the minus 1, when you take it to the next side, it is plus 1. If you take LCM, that is 7 by 6. So, 2x is greater than 7 by 6 means x is greater than 7 by 12. So, here the symbol used is greater than. So, greater than means you have to write the right side of 7 by 12. So, the right side of 7 by 12 means 7 by 12 to infinity. So, the 7 by 12 is not included. Here there is no equality symbol. So, you have to use this bracket. It is an open interval. That means this is not included. Okay. Here you see the solution. In this solution, here you are having r. If r comes, you have to join both the intervals. Okay. So, x belongs to minus infinity to 5 by 12 union 7 by 12 to infinity. That is the solution of x. We have denoted in the interval notation. Come to the solve. Third problem. Solve minus 3 modulus of x plus 5 less than or equal to minus 2 and graph the solution set in a number line. So, the previous problem interval is asked. Here we have to mark the solution in the number line. Okay. To consider the problem. Here you are having 5. This 5, when you take it to the next side, it is minus 5. So, minus 2 minus 5 is minus 7. So, see that minus 3 into modulus of x less than or equal to minus 7. So, divide throughout by minus. So, what has to come? 3 modulus of x greater than or equal to 7. I didn't write the step. You see that? First I divided by minus. So, 3 modulus of x greater than or equal to 7. So, if you divide minus both the sides, the inequality will change. So, next step, modulus of x is greater than or equal to 7 by 3. Okay, here what is symbol is there? Greater than. So what formula has to be used? So modulus of x is greater than r if and only if x less than minus r or x greater than r. Okay, so here in the place of x you are having x, but in the place of r you are having 7 by 3. So when you apply this, x less than, why we have written equal to? Here you are having equal to, so that's why we have written. So x less than or equal to minus 7 by 3 or x greater than or equal to 7 by 3. So we have to mark the solution in a number line. So I have drawn the number line. So with the origin is 0, I have to mark minus 7 by 3 in the left side and plus 7 by 3 in the right side. Okay, see that. X less than or equal to minus 7 by 3 equal to. So minus 7 by 3 is included. So I just shaded the point minus 7 by 3. And what about plus 7 by 3 is also included. So I shaded here. Okay. So come to now. X less than minus 7 by 3. Less than comes, you have to write the left side of this number. So this number is here. What is the left side? So here. Okay. So it from minus infinity to minus 7 by 3. Okay. X greater than 7 by 3 means it also greater than comes. So it is the right side of 7 by 3. So this is the right side of 7 by 3. So it is 7 by 3 to infinity. Okay. So I have marked the solution in the number line. So here interval notation I have denoted. So see that x belongs to where from? Minus infinity to minus 7 by 3, and you see that minus 7 by 3 is included. So I put a square bracket here. Union, because both the intervals are there. So you have to write union, and this 7 by 3 to infinity. This 7 by 3 is included. So here I have used a square bracket to infinity. Okay. So come to the problem number 4. Solve 2 into modulus of x plus 1 minus 6 less than or equal to 7 and graph the solution set in a number line. Okay, I have considered the problem. Here first step, minus 6 when you take it to the next side as plus 6. So 7 plus 6 is 13. So you see that here you are having 2. So when you take it to the next side, it is in the denominator. So you are having modulus of x plus 1 less than or equal to 13 by 2. So what formula has to be used? Modulus of x is less than r if and only if your x lies between minus r to plus r. So less than comes, it lies between. So minus r less than x less than r. This is the formula. Okay. So here you see that in this place it is equality is involved. So you have to use the equal symbol here. So see now, compare this formula and this problem. In the place of x, what you are having? X plus 1. And in the place of r, you are having 13 by 2. So apply this formula. Minus 13 by 2 less than or equal to x plus 1 less than or equal to 13 by 2. Now we have to find the solution for x. So this plus 1, you have to take it to the next side as minus 1. Here 13 by 2 minus 1. So when you take LCM, it is minus 15 by 2. And here when you take LCM, it is 13 minus 2 by 2, that is 11 by 2. See, it is x where is from minus 15 by 2 to 11 by 2. So minus 15 by 2 is also included and 11 by 2 is also included. So you have to use the square bracket. But what is asked? The solution. You have to graph the solution set in a number line. So I have drawn the number line with the origin 0. What number is needed? Minus 5 by 2. It is a negative. So you have to mark the left side of 0. And 11 by 2 is positive. So it should be in the right side of 0. I have marked it. Okay. So you see that minus 5 by 2 to, sorry, minus 15 by 2 to 11 by 2. So minus 15 by 2 is included, so I shaded here, and 11 by 2 is also included, so I shaded this point in between. X takes the values in between, so this part is shaded. Okay, that is the solution we have marked in the number line. Okay, come to the next one, fifth problem. Solve 1 by 5 modulus of 10x minus 2 is less than 1. Okay, I have considered the problem. So this 1 by 5, so it's a number. So when you multiply, when you take it to the right side, it is 1 into 5. So I have written 5. See how it looks like. What is the formula? Modulus of x is less than r. If and only if. Less than means your x lies between minus r to plus r. So the solution is minus r less than x less than r. Okay. So here in the place of x, what you are having? 10x minus 2. In the place of r is 5. So I have written minus 5 less than 10x minus 2 less than 5. So here we have to find the values of x. So minus 2, when you take it to this side, it is plus 2. In the same way, when you take it to the right side, it is also plus 2. So minus 5 plus 2 is minus 3. Here in this side, 5 plus 2 is 7. Here from this, I have to write x. So 10 into x. So here, so when you take it to the next side, in the 10 should come in the denominator. So minus 3 by 10 less than x less than 7 by 10. So the solution x. So if you want to write it in the another interval, so how it will be written? So minus x belongs to. So in the rough work I have written x belongs to. What's the starting point? It is 3 by 10, not 3 by 10, minus 3 by 10 to 7 by 10. So you have to use the brackets. So you see that minus 3 by 10 is not included and 7 by 10 is also not included. So both the sides you have to use this parenthesis. Okay, come to the next problem, sixth one. You see that modulus of 5x minus 12 less than minus 2. So you have to see the right side, it is negative. Okay, right side is negative. Okay, so here modulus of any number is positive. Modulus of any number is positive. So the positive number cannot be less than the negative number. So for all positive real numbers cannot be less than the negative real number. So it is not possible for any real number. So you have to give the conclusion it has no solution. Okay. So we have completed exercise 2.2. Next we are moving to the topic linear inequalities. The previous exercise we have another seen about absolute value, the modulus. Here we are moving to the linear inequalities. Inequalities, while I am talking, I have said it is less than, greater than will come. Okay. So see the exercise 2.3. First problem. Represent the following inequalities in the interval notation. So, open interval, close interval, you have to write. So, look at the first problem. X greater than or equal to minus 1 and, this word is very, very important, and, okay, x less than 4. So, if and comes, you have to write the intersection. See that? X greater than or equal to minus 1. Okay. So, greater than or equal to minus 1. So, first if I mark in the number line, it is easy for you to understand. So, what are the numbers are needed here? Minus 1. So, minus 1 I have marked and 4 I have marked. Okay. Minus 1 is negative. So, it is in the left side of 0 and 4 is positive. So, it is marked on the right side of 0. Okay. See now, minus 1 is included or not. You see the inequality. X is greater than or equal to minus 1. So equal to minus 1 means the minus 1 is included. So I shaded the point minus 1. You see that. And x less than 4. So 4 is not included. So I put a circle above 4. So 4 is not included. Keep that in mind. Okay. See now, x is greater than or equal to minus 1. So greater than means you have to consider the right side of the number. So this minus 1 is here. So what is the right side of minus 1? So this part. Okay, brown color I have marked for this inequality. You see the brown color. That is, it is greater than or equal to minus 1. So minus 1 lerundu greater number I have to write. So I have shaded the greater number of minus 1 in the brown color. So it from minus 1 to infinity. That only I have written in the interval notation. So x belongs to minus 1 to infinity. Here you see that what bracket I have used. I have used the square bracket because minus 1 is included. Got it clear? Okay, come to the next one. X less than 4. Less than means you have to write the left side of that number. So 4 is here. What is the left side of 4? So left side of 4 is these values. So I have shaded with green color shading. Okay. So it is from where to where? Minus infinity to 4. That 4 is not included. So you see now, if x less than 4 implies x belongs to the open interval minus infinity to 4. 4 is not included. So I have used the open interval. Okay, here I have to combine both the inequalities. Here what word is there? And means you have to write the common terms to both. So intersection of both the intervals. So here which one is intersecting? You see that green and the brown color is between minus 1 to 4. So therefore your x belongs to the interval minus 1 to 4. Minus 1 is included. So this side I have used the square bracket, but 4 is not included. So I use the open bracket. Keep that in mind. Here what is there? And means you have to write the intersection of both the intervals. If R comes, you have to join both the intervals. Okay. So come to the second problem. X is less than or equal to 5 and so here also what word is used? And means what do you have to use? Intersection of both. Okay, so first you see x less than or equal to 5 and x greater than or equal to minus 3. So what are the points we have to mark? So the point number is 5 and minus 3 has to be marked. So I draw the number line. So here 0 is marked. So minus 3 which side it will come? The left side of 0. So I have marked left side of 0 as minus 3. I'll consider 1 point. Another point 5 it is in the right side of 0. Okay. You take the first one. X less than or equal to 5. So here what symbol is there? Equal to. So the 5 is shaded. Okay. And you see this also. X is greater than or equal to minus 3. So minus 3 is included. So here also I have shaded. So both the points are included in this problem. Okay, consider the first one. Come to the inequality. X less than or equal to 5. So less than, what I said, less than comes, you have to choose the left side. So what you have to choose? Left side of 5. So 5 is here. What is the left side of 5? This part. So these are the values or less than 5. I shaded with red color. Have you noticed? I have shaded with red color. Okay. And you see the next one. X greater than minus 3. Greater than comes what I said. Right side of minus 3. So minus 3 is here. What is the right side of minus 3? These are the values. So I shaded with purple color. Okay. So from this number line, here what is here, which word is used? And means common intervals has to be considered, or intersection. See, minus 3 to 5 only you got both the lines. What is it? Red color shade as well as the purple color shade. So for this inequality, your x values belongs to minus 3 to 5. X belongs to minus 3 to 5, and minus 3 is included and 5 is also included. So you have to use the square bracket. Okay, come to the next one. Third one. X is less than minus 1 or, you see the word, which word is used? Or x is less than 3. So what are the numbers I have to mark? So 0, minus 1, 0, minus 1, 3. So minus 1 I have marked in the left side of 0 and 3 is in the right side of 0. And see that minus 1 above that I marked a circle. That means minus 1 is not included. Here there is no equal symbol. So minus 1 as well as 3 is marked as a circle. And this is the origin. Come to x less than minus 1. Less than comes, it should be in the left side of minus 1. So minus 1 is here. What is the left side? So this is. Okay. So I marked in the green color. I shaded with the green color. So x belongs to where? To where? Minus infinity to minus 1. Minus 1 is not included. I use the open bracket. Just listen carefully. X less than 3. So 3 is there. Less than symbol. So less than symbol means you have to mark the left side of 3. So left side of 3 I shaded with which color? Pink color. So it is from minus infinity to 3. So I see that minus infinity to 3 and 3 is not included. So I use this. Here which symbol is there? Or. Or means what? You have to join both the interval. So minus infinity to minus 1 from the first interval and the second interval minus infinity to 3. If we join both the intervals, these parts are common, but we have to join it. So I have started from minus infinity to 3. 3 is not included. So see that the union of both the intervals is my open interval minus infinity to 3. Come to the fourth subdivision. Minus 2x greater than 0 or. So which word is important? Or. Or means you have to join both the interval. So and 3x minus 4 is less than 11. Consider the first one. Minus 2x is greater than 0. Here minus is there. So you have to divide minus on both the sides. So when you divide minus on both the sides, the inequality will change. So you see that minus 2x is greater than 0. So it is, if you divide it by minus 2 on the both side, minus 2x by minus 2 is what you have to do. Its symbol will change. So less than 0 by minus 2. So here minus 2 getting cancelled. You are having x. X less than 0 by minus 2 is 0. So x less than 0. X less than 0 means what it is? It is less than means left side of 0. Left side of 0 means it is from minus infinity to 0. Consider the next one. 3x minus 4 less than 11. So minus 4 when you take it to the next side it is plus 4. So 3x less than 15. X is less than 15 by 3. What is 15 by 3? Is 5. You see that x less than 5. So the left side of 5. So left side of 5 starting from minus infinity to 5. 5 is not included. So I didn't draw the number line. If you want you can draw the number line and learn. Okay, x belongs to minus infinity to 0 and here x belongs to minus infinity to 5. So here r is used. R means you have to join together. So minus infinity to 0 and minus infinity to 5. When you combine, it is from minus infinity to 5. So this is the solution of this problem.